Hermione! So the first thing I want to note is that the set is pretty tiny, and I thought this troll would be bigger, but this is it compared to a minifigure. But I just wanted to get those two complaints out of the way, because besides that, it is a really good set. But before we get to the set, let's look at the minifigures. So the first minifigure is Harry Potter in his school robes. He was the same one that came in that Chamber Secret set I reviewed earlier. And yeah, there's not too much to say about him. I think he was the most common figure back in that wave, pretty sure. And he has gray legs, brown wand, one of those old style wands, the star cape, the little jumper, maybe, vest, I don't know, and the regular Harry Potter face around then, and the classic Harry Potter hair. He overall is a pretty good figure, but my only complaint is I wish he had the black legs, because I don't think these gray legs are really accurate. Next up is the Mountain Troll, and I still think it lives up to this day. The only thing that would be changed, if it were up to date, is the regular minifigure head. This is the old one with the little 3 slits on the top of it. It consists about 8 pieces, I think. That is wrong. I am made up of 7 pieces. Okay, so it just said that he's made up of 7 pieces. So, he's got a little thing on his belly. Mine's a little discolored because, of course, it was already used. Not a lot of ones that came out of the box are still, well, they aren't made to this day, so they're very rare to get. And he isn't that tall, actually. He's got some nice little, like, molding. He has a very nice mold, and his face is kind of creepy. So, his little hammer thing, I guess, it just made the gray old wand piece, like the stick piece, then a gray cylinder, well, like a slanted cylinder, like triangle-ish thing, and we've got, I don't know what it's called, it's a 1x1 brick with side studs. Yeah, that's what it's called. So, onto the set. We've got no beige bricks, which is kind of weird for Hogwarts, but it's the castle, and the inside of this scene actually doesn't look very beige. So we've got this old door on the old door clip piece, and the cool little key with the window pane. Flip it around the back. You can just open it, close it, yeah. And this sink is kind of a clever build. You got two by one bricks in black, and the little faucet piece, and then we've got the hinge piece with the jumper plate and a dish piece. And if you want, you can have the troll and just have him knock it down. So I think that's kind of cool. Let's see if he can knock it down without my hand helping. Yeah, he can easily do that. And just some arches, and on each side besides the front. And here's a little play feature that I'll come to later. So if you go up higher, you've got the pumpkin, because it was Halloween when it happened. You've got some flames, orange flames, and another arch piece. But then we've got the Sting on a tilt, and I will show you what that is. So you load it up with these 1x1 round bricks. Then you get the troll. Then you can kind of like have them fall on him, I guess. It's not exactly what happens in the movie or book. And it doesn't really work too well, but it still's a nice little feature that they added. Because Ron and Hermione aren't in the set where they should be. And yeah, just falls. And yeah, overall, this is a really cute, fun little set. And this has been Lego Harry Potter Halloween and more. And I'll see you guys next time. Hey, if you liked my video, be sure to like and subscribe, because now I upload videos at least once a week. So be sure to smash the like button, subscribe, and that's all I have to say. Peace out.